Across the valley this afternoon, it is hot. It's not super hot, not record-setting heat, but most places up well into the 90s. You see we're still at 100 in Edinburgh, 99 in McAllen, 94 in Harlingen, 91 in Brownsville, and probably going to be just as hot or maybe a degree or so hotter over the weekend. So it feels like it's over 100 degrees right now. Humidity's up, dew points are up, so it feels like it's about 105, give or take a little bit. So, of course, when we start to get in that level, 105 or higher, you always want to slow down, take it easy, stay cool, stay hydrated on these hot summer days. You don't want any of these heat-related health problems to sneak up on you. You know, the hottest part of the afternoon does get pretty sweaty out there with a lot of sunshine around and not too many clouds. Tomorrow's highs range from about 90 at the coast to closer to 100 or higher from McAllen westward into Starr County, even about 103 in Rio Grande City. So a hot day tomorrow. Still should be at least a light breeze around 15 to 20 miles per hour most of the afternoon from the southeast. So your day planner, though, starts off pretty humid in the morning. If you're going to be up early for a little walk or run, probably not dropping much below 80 by sunrise. It's going to be a warm start to the day, and then back in the 90s by lunchtime, mid to upper 90s in most areas by 5 p.m., and again, a light breeze from the southeast. Well, it's hot here, but it's 105 hot in Midland. It's hot all over Texas, just about. 97 in Austin, 101 in El Paso, and it does look like temperatures will stay fairly hot for the next several days. Future Track late tonight shows temperatures mostly in the 80s overnight and upper 70s across Texas. A little cooler to the north where there could be some rain in far north Texas. But you notice tomorrow, if you are traveling, most of the state well into the 90s again for a while in the afternoon. It could hit 100 in some areas of the valley and nearby areas up by Laredo, but generally a hot and mostly dry weekend, except for maybe some rain in far north Texas up closer to Dallas and farther to the north. So if you do have travel plans, just plan on being mostly hot and dry through the weekend, as you see Sunday's temperature still well into the 90s as well. Future Track here closer to home shows partly cloudy skies this evening, fairly clear for a while, but there may be some patchy low clouds late tonight. Tomorrow, though, mostly sunny, hot again with highs about 95 to 100 over most of the valley, and Future Track tries to show maybe a couple showers way over the mountains of Mexico, but that's about it. For Sunday, kind of the same thing too, maybe some patchy clouds in the morning, but generally just mostly sunny in the afternoon, hot and a little bit breezy at times, and temperatures once again in the mid to upper 90s. So the weekend forecast, about 98 tomorrow, 97 on Sunday, but essentially not any difference in those days, and similar weather continues for Monday and Tuesday for the 4th of July, and it does look like, again, it's going to be fairly hot out there all the way through the next 7 days. So first 1570 forecast going for about 98 tomorrow. Remember, though, that ranges from near 90 at the coast to over 100 in the upper valley. About the same weather on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday for the 4th of July. I think by the evening hours on the 4th of July, around, say, 9:30, when it's time for some fireworks, as it's getting dark, we're still talking about temperatures probably holding at about 85, 86 degrees in most areas then. Wednesday, still hot and dry. Late in the week, some of the models try to hint at maybe a small drop in temperatures by a degree or two, as we could pick up a little bit more tropical moisture. So a small chance you might catch 1 or 2 sea breeze showers somewhere in the valley late next week. But for almost all of you, pretty much hot and dry and sunny is the rule for the next 7 days. So we'll keep an eye on the weather and the heat in your first 15 forecast. Dina?